Let's solve few more sums on AG and this school. Okay, so 10 years ago, the average age of 10 teachers in AG school was 45 years. Okay, so what will be the average age right now? 55, because as we know the logic of this, 10 years ago if the average was 45, now it will be 55. 4 years ago, the principal has retired from her post at the age of 60 years. So that is now the condition that is given. 4 years ago, 60 years was taken out from the total sum of age of all the teachers. The present average age of all the teachers is if principal is also considered as a teacher. Okay, so that's the scenario that is given. So let us just put it in some numbers for our better understanding. Now this is just for your example sake. I can solve it directly as well, but just for your understanding. So say today is 2010. Okay, this is the year we are talking about, and 10 years back it will be what, 2000. So the sum of average is given to me as 45. So I'll say sum of age of all the teachers 10 years back was nothing but 45 into 10, which is 450, since the average is given to me as 45. 4 years ago, so let's say 4 years ago will be what, 2006. The principal retired from her post at the age of 60 years. So I'll ask you, what is the sum of age of all the teachers in the year 2006? So you will say, okay, it was 45 in the year 2000. Since we went from 2000 to 2006 plus 6, which means 6 years was added to each teacher's age. So even the average will increase by 6 years and the new average will be 51. And since there are 10 teachers, 51 into 10, it will be 510. But we know that teacher of age 60 years left. So it is no longer 510. Okay, it will become minus 60. And that will turn out to be 450 because the teacher of age 60 years left. Okay, so now there is only 450 is the sum of age of all the teachers right now. And we will be moving ahead only with 450. Okay, because 60 is taken out from this. Now what is remaining? So now how many teachers are there? 9. And how many years are there? 6 plus 2, 10, 4 years. So this, in this 4 years, this 9 teachers will add 4 as an age, right? Because they will be older by 4 years. So each of the 9 teachers will add 4. So total age that will be added will be 9 into 4, which is nothing but 36. 36 will be added to what? 36 will be added to your 450. Okay, and we reach out to the answer, which is nothing but 486. So 486 is what? Is the sum of age of all the teachers. But how many teachers now? 9. Okay, so what is the average? 486 divided by 9. Okay, let's get the answer to this now. 9 5s are 45. 3 6 9 4s are 36. That's it. 54 is the average age of all the teachers now. Okay, so that's the condition. And how do you play with this? Now let me just put one more scenario to the same condition and analyze as to how will we go ahead to solve this. So 10 years ago, average age of 10 teachers in AG school was 45 years. 4 years ago, principal has retired from her post at the age of 60. All looks quite similar to the previous problem. But after 1 year, so when the old principal retired, after 1 year, a new principal whose age was 54 years recruited from outside. So one more teacher joined in, which means his age will now be added. So after subtracting, we'll have to look for addition as well. The present average age of all the teacher is if the principal is also considered as a teacher. Okay, so let's see how do we implicate this additional scenario into the problem. So let's start. 2000 is how we started this with. 2010 and 2006 is when the principal retired, but now we know in 2007 new principal will be recruited. So these are the conditions that are with us. Okay, so let's start. It was 45 into 10. Earlier it was what, 450, and we know what happened in the year 2006. 45 became 51. So 51 into what? Into 10. It was 510 for us. But then what happened? 60 was left. So we were left with what? 450, correct? And this is where we know it till the last problem. Okay, now what happened in the year 2007? Okay, and that is what we'll have to think about it. In 2007, first of all this teachers will add what? 1 kg, right? All these teachers will add 1 kg, and so total how much will be added? 9 kgs, because there are 9 teachers who are remaining. So 9 kg is added in 2007. Just see what is happening in 2007. Plus what is happening? 54 is being added in the year 2007 because a new teacher with the age of 54 joined in. Okay, so what is the total that is being added in the year 2007? 54 plus 9, that is nothing but 63. Okay, so what is the sum of age of all the teachers in the year 2007? That will be equal to 450 plus 63, 3 year, 5, 5, 10, this will be 11, this will be 513. So 513 is the sum of age of all the teachers in the year 2007. Okay, now the problem looks quite simpler. Now we are going how many years? 7. After 7 we are going for 3 more years, right? 8, 9 and then 10. These are the years that are being left now. Now what will happen in this remaining 3 years? How many teachers are here? Now 10 teachers are here. All the teachers will add how much of age? 3, right? Because they will be 3 years older, so plus 3 to the age of all the teacher, such that they will add 10 into 3, which is nothing but 30 to this. Correct? They will add 30 to this. So what is the addition coming out right now? So this will be 6, this will be 4, this will be 3. 643 is the sum of age of all the 10 teachers in the year 2010. So how many teachers are there? 10. Okay, divide this by 10. Answer comes out to be 64.3, and that is your final answer. So sum of age of all the teachers is 643. So the average age of the teachers in the year 2010 comes out to be 64.3. Okay, and I hope this clears your logic. In case you are still confused, just imagine in the year 2006 the sum was 450 because the sum was actually 510 but 60 left. So sum of age of all the teachers was 450. Then we are looking at an individual year 2000. What happened? In the year 2000, 9 teachers were left. So in this 1 year, this 9 teachers will add 1 kg, total 9 kg is added. Plus you have a 54 kg teacher. Okay, so total that was added was 63. 63 added to the previous one, it becomes what? 513. That is the sum of age of all the teachers in the year 2007. Then I again see what will be the total age added in the next 3 years. So each of the teacher will add 3 years because we are moving on by 3 years. Okay, so there are 10 teachers, so they will add 30, which is being added to 5 and 3, 643. Okay, 643 is the sum of age of all the teachers, which are 10 teachers. Okay, so average comes out to be 64.3. So just break the problem and move forward. What you're supposed to subtract, what you're supposed to add, and then see eventually how you can reach to your answer.